How to join a group on WhatsApp using an invitation link or QR code. I'll also show you how to add members if you are a group admin. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app and open the group where you want to add new members. If you are the group admin, tap on the group name at the top. Then select Add Members and choose the contacts you want to add. After selecting the members, tap the Confirm button and they will be added to the group. Now, if you want to join a WhatsApp group, you need an invite link or QR code from the group admin. To share a group invitation link, open the group information page, scroll down, and tap Invite via link. Here you can see options like Share Link, Copy Link, and QR code. The admin can send this link or QR code to anyone. When you receive the invitation link, simply tap on it, WhatsApp will open, and you can select Join Group to become a member. And that's it. That's how you can join a WhatsApp group using an invite link or QR code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.